This is Nick with Elmy Detailing and Motion, here today to show you an easy way to clean the inside of your car using products that you'd find in your house. It's just going to be a brief video. We're going to focus on this door panel here. This Lincoln has a very light, they call it cappuccino interior, and just from normal getting in and out of the car every day, it's tinged black here. You could see some dirt over here on the side. So the main thing that I use here in the garage is just some Blue Dawn and then just a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. The key with this is the original Magic Eraser. They have all kinds of Magic Erasers now. You want to get just the original one. It doesn't have any of the chemicals that the other products, other Magic Erasers have. So this one works the best for the interior. So it's really simple. I just get a bucket of hot water, put a couple drops of the Dawn soap in, and then I'll go to work here on this door panel. You can see it's already starting to remove some of the dirt here. Now for the harder, heavier soiled sections, you could even put a little drop of the Blue Dawn right on the eraser and just dip it in a little bit, and it'll make this go away even faster. And you can see it takes it right out. And just use it everywhere in the lighter colors. Down here you can see it's really bad down here from them kicking the door. So I'll just go over it a couple times, use medium pressure, and then what I'll do is at the very end, you could use I have a microfiber towel. You could use any type of towel that you have in the house, and then just wipe it dry, and then you can see the results. And it got just about all of that dirt and grime off. Now if you have a really soiled section, like in here where you grab onto the door to pull it, you could even get Simple Green and just dilute it. Do a heavy dilution, more parts water than the Simple Green, because that stuff is very concentrated in the bottle that you get. So just dilute that, and then you could use that on this area here, and it'll cut through even more. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and down below in the comments, let us know what you want to see next.